Hey Dad, my birds want to talk to you guys. So first I'm going to give them some treats so they will be nice and they won't attack you. Just got to make sure they won't attack you, you know what I mean. We're going to cut this in half. We're going to give this one to my budgies, this one to my lovey birds, my lovebirds. Hi Lemon. He's being grumpy. He's being a little bit grumpy. Here's a treat. If you both want it, it's up here. Once I give them a treat, they go nommy. Next, these are the birds you're going to be talking to. My new birds. They love humans. Just kidding, they don't. But I don't know why, but they wanted to talk to you. I'm going to give them some treats so they behave. I know they're mean a little bit. Just a little bit. Come here, buddy. Eat the treat. Okay, so they wanted to talk to you guys alone, so... Oh my gosh, I guess he's making me leave. I'm gonna go, I guess. Oh, I came back. Buddy, talk to him. Talk to them. You wanted to talk. You wanted to talk to them. Yeah. Buddy, talk to them. Talk to my video watchers, whatever I call them. I still know how their day is, okay? I'm leaving. Talk to them, though, okay? That's how you make friends.